Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an interactive prototype with nothing else but Mural. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can let me know by giving me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Hi, my name is Sandy Lam. I'm a product designer and a remote workshop facilitator. I love remote working and my favorite place to work is in an elephant house. You probably have heard of the saying that a prototype is worth a thousand meeting. That's why I would like to show you how you can prototype within Mural. It's not meant to replace all the prototyping tools like XD, Figma, or Invision, but this method will enable your whole team, including the non-designers, to collaborate and create a prototype with you together. Especially useful when you're running a remote workshop. Before further ado, let me show you how you can create a clickable prototype 100% in Mural. So here's an example of a prototype that I created within Mural. I used no external tool at all. Everything you see here, I created with all the features and the tools that provided within Mural itself. And as you see, I can write on it, I can click on it and go to the next page. I can even play a video within Mural itself. And here's how it was done. So to get this iPhone frame was actually very easy. On the left hand side here, you can find the image toolbar. And all you need to do is just type in iPhone frame and then it will show all the different images that you can find, maybe something like this. And now you will get your frame that way. And then if you want any icons like this, you only need to go to the left hand side and look for the icon tool. And then I probably just search for profile and then it pops up any profile icon. I think I probably chose something like that, I think. And then you may ask, okay, now how can I change the color? All you need to do is click on the color icon and then you can choose any default colors or you can choose any custom colors that you have added. To add a custom color, you just need to click on that plus sign and then now you can key in your hex code or you can use RGB. You can even play around with the transparency. And I think the one that I had was this one. And to create this input box, I used the rectangle tool. So I hold down the Control Option and then hit R on my Mac. Or you can go to the left toolbar here and choose the rectangle from there. And then you just adjust the shape, give it a background color. It's the third icon from the left. And then you can get a little border around it. You can also choose the thickness of the border. And then now you can type in something. So let's say now I want to make it into a submit button. And I just change the color so that it matches the one I have at the bottom. And I can also change the type color to white just to match that there. And to make it clickable, well, I can use the tools on the left toolbar and then drag in a text box that way, or I can just hold down Control Option T and then now I get a text box. And I'm just going to paste on top first and I'm going to show you what to do next. Now I'm going to move to the next screen where I want this button to jump to. All I need to do is I click on this image, right click and then link to this image. I copy the link by holding down the Command C. And then now when I go back to this text box, I can choose the second icon from the right, click on it, paste the link there, and then now I get this little go to button. But obviously you don't want this is a text box thing appears on your button. So all I have to do is change the font color to invisible. Now all I have is just an empty box with a go to button. So now I just place it in the corner. So now I make the submit button kind of like clickable. Well, I want to also group it so they always stick together. So now when I click on that go to button, it will jump to the next screen that way. The other thing I want to show is how you can build a gallery like this. Let me just copy the frame first. I just hold down the Command D and now I get another empty frame. Then you can use the image search tool, type in any keywords. So in my case, I use, I think, probably graphics or something. But now you can just drag any images and scale it to fit the frame. And then you see this image here is going to go outside the iPhone. So I just create another rectangle, make it into white, and then just cover it roughly at the bottom. And now all I need to do is click on the frame, and bring it to the front. Now everything goes behind the phone. And of course, you probably want to lock this one or group them together so it becomes one single phone together. And next, you can also add videos here. I'm not going to repeat the same thing. It's just text box, rectangle boxes, icons, and so on. But to get a video here, all you need to do is go to YouTube. And I'm just going to pick any videos and I click the share button, copy the link over. And all you need to do is just hold down the Command V and now you will get the video there. And then I just scale it so it fits the frame better. And I delete the descriptions so then I don't need the extra stuff. But what it does is still leave the little YouTube thing over. So what I do is I just create another text box or something to hide it, change the background color, and then yeah. And that's how you can create a prototype using only Mural. That's all I have for you for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye!